My book, The Warrior Warring, is on Amazon.com. My name is Renee D. Waring, and I am a professional and inspirational speaker, as well as an author on mental health. I am the owner of Waring Communications, LLC, where our mission is that we are a Christian-based organization which endeavors through prayer, writing, public speaking, and political action to instill in individuals who have mental illness a sense of self-worth. We also endeavor through God to help people who have mental illness to recover and gain access to social equality, economic growth, empowerment, education, and excellent health care. Our vision is for individuals who have mental illness to become whole, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, physically, and spiritually, and to gain full social acceptance into our society. In my book entitled The Warrior Warring, Warring, can be found on Amazon.com. We who have mental illness are very valuable people who are made in God's image just as everyone else is. We have purpose, talents, skills, and abilities to contribute to our society. America is suffering right now for not giving us access to top quality treatment and other opportunities. All of us are unique game changers given by God to enrich our American society. Remember, you cannot judge a book by its cover. There may be a genius amongst us like Albert Einstein. There may be a mother or father amongst us who will nurture his or her children to greatness. There may be someone amongst us who can spread words of encouragement to others and spread love to his or her family, friends, and community. Who knows who we are or what we can become? In my book, The Warrior Warring, through the power of Christ, I war against fear, ignorance, stereotyping, and discrimination towards us and for us who have mental illness. In my book, The Warrior Warring, I show you how to save a life of someone who has plans to commit suicide. The Warrior Warring, Warring, can be purchased on Amazon.com. My name is Renee D. Waring, and I am the Warrior Warring.